Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on cancelling a Nintendo Online membership on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home page of the Switch, open up the Nintendo eShop. Then, from the home page of the eShop, tap on your user icon in the top right corner. Scroll down the left sidebar menu and select Nintendo Switch Online. Then tap on Terminate Automatic Renewal. Tap Terminate on the pop-up and then tap OK. Nintendo Online has now been cancelled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.